Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Chrome and are signed in or ready to use a local profile. Open the three-dot menu at top right and choose Settings to begin. Once there, focus on the Search Engine section. This is where defaults live. Make sure Chrome is updated so options match these instructions. If you use Sync, the change may propagate to other devices. If not, the change stays on this profile. Now locate the Search Engine drop-down to set Google as default. You're in Manage Search Engines, scan the list for Google. If Google appears, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Make Default. If it's missing, add a new search engine, name it Google, set keyword as Google. And paste the query URL https://www. Google.com/search, Q equals %s, then save and make default. Once done, confirm the drop-down under Search Engine shows Google. This ensures address bar searches route to Google instead of other providers. Now test the address bar with a simple query. You should see Google results. If another engine still appears, return to Manage Search Engines and remove or disable the competing entry because secondary entries can persist. Also check extensions, some override search behavior, disable suspicious extensions and retry. If settings don't stick, restart Chrome and sign out, then back in if using Sync. Make sure enterprise policies aren't enforced on managed devices. One key tip: check Chrome//policy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.